No, man, Group's going to be full.
I know, Group's staying. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Wow. Well, nobody else is having that, have they? Right, so that's what's happened to the battle shed. Also, I just got mugged by a dog. I don't know. This car that's sat behind me at the minute is a 2002 plate BMW Mini. It is a Mini 1. The reason why I bought this is in 2016, me and Emma, who you may have heard of. If not, then I'll go into it in a bit. Me and Emma bought a 2002 plate BMW Mini, but she had the Cooper. We did odd little bits to put, I think it was the Mini Cooper S wheels, the Mini Crown wheels. We did as little touches inside and things. And in August, I went out and I accidentally crashed the car. It was a complete write-off. I'll insert some pictures here. To be fair, I felt that bad. I said to Emma that I would get another one for her at some point. Now here's where, if you don't know, 2017 August, August the 18th, 2017, I lost Emma, unfortunately to suicide, and I said that I was going to get a Mini. The Mini that I said that I was going to get, I was going to go up and make how she would have had it. So yeah, the car behind me is the car that we've got as a replacement and as a memorial. It is bright yellow, so I will apologise for that. It will be going at some point a different colour. Emma actually told me that if I was to get a bright yellow Mini, then she would have left me. Unfortunately, it was the only Mini that I found cheap, and not just that I found it cheap. Emma's name was Emma Louise Clark. The girl that I bought this car off was called Emma Louise, so it was even more of a, right, I need to buy it because it's on an O2 plate, because it's from somebody called Emma Louise, and I just really had to get it. So plans with it, make it as good as I can. I don't know, I don't really know what to do with it yet. I'm just gonna take it with flow, and it'll be a memorial thing for Emma. One of the first things that I want to do is change wheels, because it has the old, it has mini pepper pots, I think they're called, and I quite like the, I think they're called Crowns, which are the Cooper S wheels. I really do like them, and I really want another set, because then that is how Emma's car was. That is the base that Emma's car was. The only differences between the Mini 1 and the Mini Cooper is very minimal. Main thing, brake horsepower. I think these have got 90 something brake, whereas the Mini Cooper has 115. Yeah, it hasn't really been played with that much, and it has its little problems. I mean, it's got a blowing exhaust at the minute, which is going to get sorted very shortly. It has a problem with the gearbox, which is very, very common. I think that is why it was so cheap. Another thing as well, lighting and short MOT. But in all honesty, it was very cheap, and they're selling for 3 times as much on like Facebook, eBay, all that lot. But yeah, I did a video not so long back that said it's the hardest video that I've had to do. 4 months ago I made that video. The thing is the hardest thing that I've had to do lately is say goodbye to the battle shed, because I don't know if you knew, but me and Emma bought that together. You know, we went everywhere in it after the mini crash and a few other cars in between, but we bought the Focus together, and to watch him, I don't know, to watch him drop it like he did, yeah, it upset me, but also I have the fact of nobody else is going to have that car, which also helps. I'm hoping it never comes to that with this, and I am going to try to keep it on road as long as I can. One of the main things that it needs next is an MOT, but we've got the problems to sort out first. Like I said, it's not been played with. I've just been talking to somebody that has another Mini. Conveniently enough, it was parked next to me. It was bright yellow, and he has the same window problem as well. But yeah, also regarding the channel, trying to put out videos every week can be a bit of a challenge when you don't really do much. I have a few karting videos, and it's like also with the karting, you can't really record that much because you're there for a reason. You have to sign cameras on, you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to do other. Racing, not really got much from that. Cruisers, I'm going to more cruisers now regular, so I will see if I can get more footage each time that I go out. I'm working at minute with Rover Cruise, which they've got a thing called Mod TV. I may end up doing a few features and then sending them to them, so keep an eye out for them. A few interviews, few things like that, and yeah, we'll see where his future goes. But the project bikes, I am changing them up a little bit, so we'll see what happens there. Hopefully next few days first little mod comes. Oh well, I say first little mod, I got quite a big mod. I got the steering wheel for it yesterday. I got a Momo steering wheel which I'm going to be putting on. I need to get the adapter kit, the Boss kit. Yeah, hopefully if you've enjoyed this video, then do give us a like, do give us a share, and feel free to comment. Also, cool little thing, there is a group called MOG, Mini Owners Group. We are on there, me and Emma's cars are on there, and the videos will be getting shared to them too. They are cool guys. I know when I put the post up, everybody was wishing me well with the car, and yeah, everybody's sound. And we hopefully will be doing London to Brighton at some point. I think me and my brother's going to be doing that, but we're going to be doing London to Brighton because it is mint. 2,000, 3,000 minis each year, meeting up, going from London to Brighton and just enjoying it. That's what we want. That is what we want. So yeah, I'll do a little bit of a walk around with the car, and then we'll speak soon.